Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Health Journey. Today we're diving into the amazing world of thyme, a tiny herb with mighty health benefits. Good health is all about consistency and finding things you can stick with long term. Let's explore why you should add this versatile herb to your daily routine. For centuries, natural remedies were the first line of defense, and thyme is a natural antimicrobial powerhouse. It contains compounds like thymol, which have powerful effects against a wide range of bacteria, even some that are resistant to antibiotics. This makes thyme a valuable tool in fighting infections and boosting your body's natural defenses. We all know how important respiratory health is, and thyme can be a great ally in keeping your lungs happy. It acts as a natural expectorant, helping to loosen up mucus in the airways. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of thyme tea and feeling the soothing vapors open up your airways. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal, but chronic inflammation can be detrimental to our health. This is where thyme steps in with its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Thyme contains compounds that have been shown to reduce the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, helping to calm things down. You hear it everywhere. Antioxidants are good for you. But what exactly do they do? Well, our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants are like little warriors that neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells from harm. Thyme is packed with antioxidants, making it a fantastic addition to your diet for overall health and vitality. A healthy gut is crucial for our overall well-being, and thyme can lend a helping hand in keeping your digestive system running smoothly. It's been used traditionally to relieve digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Thyme is believed to stimulate the production of digestive juices, aiding in the breakdown of food and promoting efficient digestion. Our immune system is our first line of defense against infections, and thyme can give it a powerful boost. It's rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the function of immune cells. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to take care of our cardiovascular health. Thyme may be a surprising ally in this endeavor. It contains compounds that have been shown to lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Clear, radiant skin is something we all strive for, and thyme can be a valuable addition to your skincare routine. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria and soothe irritated skin. Thyme is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from environmental damage. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of calm is essential for our mental well-being. Thyme has been traditionally used to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Imagine brewing a cup of thyme tea after a long day and feeling the stress melt away. Good oral hygiene is crucial for overall health, and thyme can play a role in keeping your mouth healthy. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight bacteria that contribute to bad breath and gum disease. Thyme is often found in natural mouthwashes and toothpastes due to its refreshing taste and oral health benefits. There you have it, 10 compelling reasons to make thyme a staple in your life. Whether you use it in cooking, as a tea, or in a health remedy, this little herb packs a powerful punch. Start small, be consistent, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and happy in your life journey.